Today, we're making these gorgeous, gorgeous, spicy Korean carrots, packed with flavor. So good. Hi guys, welcome back to Bread and Butter. Today, we're focusing on vegetables, specifically on carrots. Now you can just, eat them raw, serve them in a salad or like a nice blue cheese dip. You could bake them, you could probably even boil them. But today, we're gonna spice them up. Now they're not necessarily gonna be spicy as in hot, but we are gonna add a lot of flavor by using different herbs and spices. And we're gonna give them like a quick little pickle, like a pickle marinating situation. We're gonna need a little bit of salt, a little bit of sugar. I'm gonna use some sweet paprika. I'm gonna use a tiny bit of cayenne pepper. If you don't have it, just use gochujang or something spicy, something that will add some heat. This is the main ingredient. Do not skip this part. This is a powder of coriander seeds. Now you might not use this often, but in this dish, this is vital. It's a key ingredient. Please don't skip it. Also some black pepper, freshly ground, of course, and a little bit of apple cider vinegar. And one more vital aromatics. This is garlic. And we're gonna use it, we're gonna grate it to the carrots and the spices, and also we're gonna use this to infuse our oil. Now let's prep the carrots. Okay guys, let's talk about the mandolin. This is a terrifying little machine. I know a lot of people are scared of it, and I too have had some accidents, so we're gonna talk a little bit about safety. Always use a special glove when working with a mandolin. I thought that this was something that didn't really work, but trust me, it does. It has saved my fingers, my nails, my manicure on many, many occasions. If you need me to link the brand, let me know in the comments and I will. The mandolin. I have a special option here that kind of cuts the carrots into these matchsticks. I don't suggest that you grate them, otherwise the end result will be a little bit mushy. So we really want to kind of, I'll show you the shape we need. I'll show you the exact shape that we need. It's as easy as that. You kind of chop up the carrots, and again, the mandolin really, really helps to keep them all in like a uniform size. You add the spices, and even that is simple. You just add a teaspoon of everything, and then you infuse the oil, and it's almost ready to go. Now what you need to do is just kind of cover this with some film and keep it in the fridge for 4 to 6 hours, maybe even overnight. If you have time and if you remember, give it a quick mix, a quick little shaky shake, and it's ready to be eaten and consumed with so much pleasure. But if you have at home a wonderful gadget called what do you call it? Is it a vacuumizer, a vacuum sealer, a vacuumizator? That thing. That's what I...
Vacuum sealer.
Vacuum sealer. There you go. If you have one of those things, this is the time to use it. What I do is I transfer this into one of those special vacuum sealer bags, and then you suck out the air, and it will be ready much, much sooner. This is what it looks like. let's open this bad boy up and eat it. And I will tell you, I will share my knowledge of all the many, many different ways and how this carrot can be consumed. Guys, you have to try this. And trust me, next time you make it, you're gonna double, triple, quadruple the amounts, because this, well, I'm just gonna eat this by myself, basically. My kids love these carrots. Is this a great side dish? Yes, and it goes well with chicken and meat and fish. This is great on soups, on top of rice, with quinoa. This is a very, very, very versatile thing. Seriously, what's not to love? The carrots are still really, really crunchy, but they pack in all this flavor. You have the sweetness and the saltiness and the brininess and like the spice and that coriander. That thing, it's amazing. It is so good. Let me know if you like this recipe. Let me know if you want more vegetable dishes. And yeah, see you guys soon. This will be so good on a hot dog or a burger. This is really good stuff. Really good stuff. See ya.